Let's use your letter T to make your S stronger. If your S sounds something like this, quiet, use your T. Put some of your T into your S. Imagine your S here and then putting the T into it. Copy me. Can you say t, t, t? Notice when you do this, there is a strong intensity of air being pushed out. T, t, t. Then start your S and put some of that T into it, and it will make your S sound stronger, clearer. If you want an even stronger S sound, perhaps for a public speaking performance as a man, then you can put even more of that T into the S. So, strong S sound, plus T to make it even stronger,